At the Smithsonian's National Zoo, they are working to help show what scientists are calling a possible sixth mass extinction. This year, amphibians have been dying exponentially. Zookeepers and scientists alike are advocating for students to be more sustainable and educate themselves on the world around them. At the National Zoo, keepers are especially working to inspire children through daily activities like fish feeding and exhibits.
At the fish feeding well, we educate the public what we are feeding, about the nutritional needs of fish and how we feed.
So daily feed at 11, and so we have 4 large pools here, and 2 of them are fed every day, so we kind of balance out which one is fed on each day.
We train our animals for 3 main reasons. The first is mental stimulation, kind of like you guys going to school. The next reason is physical exercise, recess or gym class at that school. And the third and most important reason is husbandry, and that just means health care. We train our animals to actively participate in their own health care.
Everything what the Smithsonian does is educational. And specifically here, like we are here now in the Coral Lab, we have a huge program for coral restoration. Specifically what's going on with the bleaching of corals, with the acidification of the oceans, and pollution, plastic pollution.
For the frogs, it's a lot about chytrid, which is a fungus, and that's what's really causing havoc on these animals.
In the Amazon, all the fish are struggling right now with what is happening, what is going on in the Amazon because of the deforestation, about the pollution, and they build new waterways, they build new streets to the Amazon, so the water might get polluted. Fishing is also a problem. There are more people in the Amazon, and they need more food. And so the people who live there, they don't know about the sustainability of the special fish population what they have.
Be more sustainable, make sure that you're sourcing things appropriately, and just try and recycle, because we need to try and just conserve what we do have.
The Kirkwood Call spoke with Kylie Buning, senior at Kirkwood High School, who is involved in environmental sustainability. Environmental sustainability is a class that works to improve the environment at KHS and around the world. Right now, they're working on the Green Schools Quest, a project looking for creative, low-cost, and efficient ways to help the Earth. Buning's class is focusing on waste and education. The goal is to help filter the garbage out of the state's streams and rivers to help preserve the wildlife while educating students.
So as the people walk through here, frogs are actually kind of cute. I feel like once a person makes a connection with an animal, whether it be a frog, a snake, or a sea lion, they're a lot more interested in caring about that animal and caring what happens to that animal's environment.